Day 4, a lot of activities on day 4. Christmas Day, Merry Christmas, everybody. I didn't say that. Merry Christmas. Okay, it's gonna be a long story, short story. I'm gonna make it very short. Around 17 odd, there was a inkosi abaku emajembeni Ngomane. Majembeni Ngomane decided that he was going to carve his land into three. One part Yaka second part Yaka Luketlani, third part Yaka Sboshwa. These three families have reigned in this part of the country for a very long time. We are still in Komati Port, but in a right close. What you see behind me, that is the Crocodile River, the beautiful, majestic Crocodile River, and across that is the Kruger National Park. Right. So when you're sitting here, in fact, there are some elephants there across the river playing and drinking water. And it's an absolutely beautiful gem. Why is this important though? Right? It is important because this is the royal palace of Ndabezitha Hoi Ngomane, Usandile Ngomane, Hoi the second. If you look at me from the back there, that is the house. Ya Ndabezitha Hoi. Ulashongwe, who's the second wife of Ndabezitha Hoi. They're busy preparing Christmas, special Christmas function that they're gonna have. You can see the kids all over there. So this is really special day. We surprised them. We actually came and announced. Ndabezitha is not here. I think he's gonna be back a bit later. But this is quite a very interesting one. Right? So you have this land here, which is Kahoi. There's history behind it, and one day I think I will explain to you Bakangomane. I am Ngomane, by the way. Bakangomane, Bakamshika, Bakakubai. Bakashibia emasira kulababia mahlampa kurela ku hanya. Umngani lomkhulu kaManzakazi. Yihluka emini ebusuku yakhohloka. I'll tell you a lot about it some other time. So from here, I'm going to Inkosi Mjokwana. That's where we're gonna be chilling for most of the day. But yeah, I mean, really take the views. Take the views behind me. I mean, it's absolutely scintillating. For me, there just is no better place. There is just no better place. You know, it's just absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. Serenity. Yeah, enjoy. So we'll catch up later. Maybe we'll gate crash this party later. We shall see. So catch you later. The Life of Mbuga, chapter 77, day 4, Eshitangeni. Cheers.